Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong. Mahjong is a captivating game of skill, strategy, and a bit of luck, typically enjoyed by 4 players. Your main objective is to be the first to form a winning hand, which consists of 4 sets and 1 pair of tiles. We'll cover the essential components, including the 144 unique tiles, the dice used for starting, and the racks for organizing your hand. Get ready to dive into this ancient and engaging game. Let's explore the heart of Mahjong, its tiles. The game features 3 main suits: bamboos, characters, and dots, each with 9 different values. Beyond these, you'll find the powerful honor tiles, comprising the 4 winds, east, south, west, and north, and the 3 dragons, red, green, and white. Some variants also include special bonus tiles, such as flowers and seasons, which can enhance your score. Understanding these tiles is crucial for building your winning hand. A round of Mahjong begins with players building a large wall of tiles, 2 tiles high and 18 tiles long for each player. After the wall is broken, each player receives 13 tiles. During your turn, you will draw a new tile from the wall, then decide which tile to discard. You can also call a discarded tile from another player to form a pong, kong, or chow, strategically building your hand. The ultimate goal is to declare Mahjong. This happens when you successfully assemble a hand consisting of 4 sets and 1 pair. A set can be either 3 identical tiles, known as a pong, or 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit, called a chow. The pair consists of 2 identical tiles. Once you have achieved this specific combination, you proudly announce Mahjong to claim victory for that round.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.